Since we're going to the gun range today, I'm going to do a quick tear down and whatnot of my guns. Quick clean, nothing too serious. I am not an expert. I barely know what's going on. So here we go. Start with the Ruger EC9S. Obviously, it is not loaded. Nothing in there. Need some stuff. So I use my Leatherman tool to get stuff broken apart on the EC9S, because you got to do the little tab and whatnot. It's kind of finicky. This is my everyday carry, so it's got some pocket lint, it's got some other stuff in there. So like I said, this isn't a serious cleaning, it's just good enough to go to the range and whatnot. Make sure it's just nice and lubed up, not have that much dust in it. I also didn't clean it the last time I went to the range, so I'm just gonna make sure it's lubed up and decent condition. A couple drops here and there. I should wear gloves. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna throw on a pair of these Harbor Freight Specials. So don't tease me too much. There's a lubricating. I need the gun bore cleaner. There we go. Let that sit for a minute, let that cleaner soak in. Like I said, I already verified all that fun stuff. I don't have any .22 Magnum, but I do have some .22 long rifle that I'm going to take to the range tomorrow and get that. So So like I said, not doing anything too serious, just making sure it works. Ooh, I'm getting hungry. What was I doing? That's what I was, okay. That's pretty dirty. That 22 just gets everything so dirty so fast. Oh, darn it. Oop. That looks better. I'll do the rest of that cylinder as well. Just 'cause. Empty, nothing in there. Oh, I gotta dry fire. And there it goes. Oh, I am not good at this at all. But that's the whole point of practice, isn't it? As I'm as I'm working over clean. Goodness. Oh, goodness. Oh, that's pretty clean. I think it's good to dry them up and lube them up. That sounded weird, but oh well. I think I'm gonna have to get some more swatches next time I go to the gun store. I don't go shooting very often, so I don't think about it. I also don't go to the gun store very often, so I don't think about it. Oh yeah, that'll be all right. Oh, wrong way. Good. See? I am not good at this. Okay. Throw that pin back in there. Feels all right. I'll move the sides just a little bit. Come on, there we go. Well, that felt real nice. Okay. VC9S done. Now let's do the 22. So I got this heater going because it's, you know, middle of January at like basically midnight. I work graveyard, so it's, you know, it's hard to do it in the house because the girlfriend's asleep, son's asleep. I just don't want to wake him up if I don't have to. Plus the girlfriend gets kind of ornery when I do. So I keep them happy so that I can go to the gun range and make myself happy. Keep this thing nice and lubed. Yeah, it's a cheap gun, but it's my cheap gun. Probably doesn't even really need it, but you know, it is what it is. All right, I think it's time to do the barrel, the cylinder. Try and figure out a good system for this, because I'm not good at it. So I'm still learning, and I still enjoy doing stuff, so. I'm alright with that. Oh, come on now. There we go. It's all right, 22 done. Let's do the other 9 now. My Smith & Wesson. I say it like that, I don't know. I used to have this as my carry, but it's kind of heavy, it's kind of big. I want to almost forget that I have it. Not quite. Because if you forget you have it, what's the point of carrying it? So like I said, not an expert, but I do have my concealed carry. I like carrying. I think it's a good thing to do for everybody that trusts themselves. That's my honest opinion. You don't like to carry, then don't. Free country. That looks nice. There we go. Put a little bit on the outside. There's that. Don't put it in upside down. That's just embarrassing. That feels nice. All right, I think I'm done. You guys have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one.